so I didn't pay for shipping. It was really quick. I purchased it on a Friday, they shipped it out on a Monday, and I received it on the Thursday. How did I pick these perfumes? Well, I went to the perfume online website and I just went to their bestsellers page and I just picked a few from there. This is the first one, Velvet Oud. And oh wow, I never noticed this before, but there is a little sticker there, I guess to show that it is authentic. Open it up. Ooh. Okay, so now that the plastic is off, it is velvet texture, as you can see. And there is a little sticker at the bottom. It has the size, the ingredients, and where it's made. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I pulled off the top. Put my hairbrush away. Okay, there's no scent. It's really nice.